It's a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automatic transmission, auto-track 4-wheel drive, tow haul mode, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, air conditioning, front tow hooks, electronic shift on the fly, and Ecotec 3 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. Thank you for viewing this vehicle. Stop in and see us today. Thompson Buick GMC Cadillac is conveniently located on Wake Forest Road next to Costco, just inside the Beltline.